Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. This is a finished cardigan that I have knit with 100% Angora Rabbit hand-spun yarn. And I used the stitch that I did a tutorial in September. And I will put the link on, I will pin it. And it turned out fantastic. I used up all the hand-spun yarn in the same lot that was hand spun, and it turned out perfect. The white that I have hand spun, it was a chunky yarn, and I used it to give this texture, and I think it turned out fantastic. So I just wanted to share the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to see. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.